Okay, so we're kind of surrounded by these buildings, so I just kind of let you see some casinos from this particular point of view. And MGM is right there. City of Dreams. MGM. Grand Zboa. So we'll be right back and I'll get more details about it in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, I zoomed out a little bit. The quality is better if I zoom out a little bit, but that's the MGM. And this vantage point, let me go back to this one right here. This is the one that I wanted to film anyways. This is the Grand Lisboa Palace. And this one is pretty grand. That's just one of the entrances, it's huge. And this one is going to be open in 2021 now. It's going to be open this year, but because of the COVID, it's no longer possible. Here's the Wynn Palace. And out front there's a dragon and some kind of cool stuff as well. And then of course the MGM. So the MGM is kind of lights up into a little bit of a show. So someday this would be, and then right here I think this is called like Tennis Road or something like that. Huade Tennis. There we go, now we got the bright lights right there. It's all lit up. So it's kind of cool. Okay, I think we're gonna try to go into the front of that and then you can kind of see what that looks like too. There it is. There's a show. Sometimes it might block my videos, so the music's a little bit scary. There's a nice dragon right there. There's the palace. And there's MGM right there. And this is a train line, so the train line can bring subway traffic back and forth. Man, that's too loud. The problem with the music sometimes is they won't let me upload the video, so I won't be able to do too much. But basically you have some Cotai Strip, there's Morpheus, Grand Hyatt, MGM all lit up like that, and Grand Palace, Lisboa, Grand Palace, and Wynn Palace. Okay, we'll just end it right there. See that cool dragon? Cool show.